Your Android tablet has a built-in feature for wirelessly sharing files between other Android devices, similar to AirDrop on iPhones and iPads. On Android, this is called Quick Share, and it's great because it doesn't require an internet connection. It works basically system-wide, but a really basic example would be sending photos and videos. I'll pick a video from my gallery and then tap the little share icon on top of my display. My tablet will show some suggested ways to share this in all the different apps I have installed, and Quick Share is usually one of the first options you'll see. If I tap myself into the Quick Share options, I'll see all nearby available devices. Like I said, this works without an internet connection, but the devices need to be physically close to each other. I'll choose my phone and the video will then transfer over the air to my Galaxy phone. Quick Share is great because it's fast, and it also doesn't compress your photos and videos. Certain messaging apps or email will often compress your files, reducing image quality, but Quick Share will share the original file with no compression. You can also Quick Share to Windows computers by installing the Quick Share for Windows app, and even though Apple doesn't officially support this, there are third-party apps for Macs as well, allowing you to Quick Share from an Android phone to a Mac computer. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.